we are going to Disneyland.
Yes, and we'll have so much fun.
Yes. We will share many pictures with you.
You will see so much characters.
One fun ride. Watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.